Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a little bit of a cool video. Also look at my new outfit. My mummy got me it from a charity shop. My outfit says I was born to be loud. So, what we're going to be doing today is my mummy has got into making these collage thingies and I thought, I want to make one. So I have persuaded my mummy to let me use all her arts and crafty bits to make one for this video to help you lot if you also want to make them. Let me show you the ones that my mummy's made. This is the first one my mummy made. It's like Dory. Now the next one is his pink dinosaur thing, which is very cute. Then we have one of a teddy bear. How cool is that? And then we have another one, which is quite big. So I thought, I want to make one. So I've asked my mummy what stuff I need, and she's about to grab it all for me, and I'm going to show you what I will be using today. So my mummy just brung over this stuff. This is the stuff we have. Now let's run through what all of this is for and what it is. Felt tips, helpful if you want to make a cool border. Glue stick, to stick little pictures on. Colourful gems to make it razzly dazzly. A book to cut pictures out of. Apparently lots of washi tape. Another book to cut pictures out of. Tissue paper. Tweezers. And scissors, which I've got my mummy to hold because she says they're quite dangerous, so if any of you at home are wanting to do this, make sure you get some help with the scissors. Now, my mummy usually doesn't buy colour scheme, but I don't know if I want to do that, so let's get started. So, I've decided to go for a red and pink and maybe a bit of silver theme, so let's get started. So this is what we're going to be basing our colour scheme and our collage around. This is where we're at now. So now we're going to be using this lovely tape. So now I'm about to do the border. So what you have to do for the border is get whatever pen you want and just draw around the top, down the side, down the bottom and then back up. It can be lines, circles, hearts or whatever pattern you want it to be. Just make sure it goes all around the border. As my mummy is showing here, the border really brings it all together. And that is how you make a collage. Now I'll run through what we did. So the big picture of me in the middle was just drawn by my mummy. So if you have someone in your life that can draw, or even if they can't draw, just a little drawing that's like a little bit rubbish is even good enough. Because everything you add will make it look even better. So what we did there is we just stuck that on with the glue stick. Then we cut up some tissue paper into random shapes. Stuck that around. So we glued them on. Then we got our washi tape. We stuck some of that on. We got some of our gems that are right here. We stuck a couple of those on. And then we just put our border in, which is really important. It makes it lovely. So yeah, if you make one, I hope it all goes well. And thank you so much for watching Tedgear Art and Crafty. Woohoo! I, Mummy, enjoy cleaning up this mess.